to share my PIP exhibition journey. So let's start. This is the inquiry process. The inquiry cycle, the 4 pillars of inquiry. So there are 6 steps to stage the exhibition. Purpose of PIP exhibition. Essential agreements. We agree to finish our work on time, make our work neat. So in this we had to select some topics, write some topics and then select one topic for our exhibition. I chose astronomy because it is a very fun topic and I have some prior knowledge about it. My passion. Group members: Krupa, myself, Holin, Samath, Mikhail, Kayan. Mentor: Namrata ma'am. Audience: PYP community, parents, principal sir, teachers and students. So this is a provocation video that our ma'am showed us, that how kids can even change the world. So this is our group logo. My Ikigai, the golden circle. PYP transdisciplinary theme, how we express ourselves. Umbrella central idea. Our group central idea is Earth's structure is consistently changing through processes and forces that impact society. Central idea. Did you write one? Is it a local or global? So our central idea was written by Krupa, that is one of our group members, and it is a global central idea. These are some ATL skills, some learner profiles, ATL skills and learner profiles. Lines of inquiry. Our lines of inquiry. So first line of inquiry was different space agencies and their contribution. Then second was celestial bodies in space, and forthcoming celestial threats. In this we had to take action we had given on one song, the song Beats Under the Same Sun, and we had made some placards and we were singing the song, and in specific timings specific people were showing placards with a ATL skill or a learner profile. And fourth was staging of the exhibition. What do I know about astronomy? Prior knowledge. So I know it is the study of space, planets, stars, galaxies, and more. Burning questions. I want to know who started the Big Bang theory. I want to know more about stars, dwarf planets, and other galaxies. Key concepts. Primary and secondary resources. So our mentor told us to write some examples of it. Personal connect. History of Roscosmos. Local connect. So obviously I live in India, so my local connect I've put as what was the reason ISRO started. And in global connect I've put what is NASA planning ahead. So first we would research about the line of inquiry and then put the thing in the Google Slides and then move on to the other line of inquiry. So in LOI 1, we put all our information about the different space agencies. Each person was given one agency and we had to pull all the information that we gathered into like 2 or 4 slides per person, and then we made a Google Slides from that. There's even a link given for that. LOI 2. Now it was celestial bodies in space and forthcoming threats, celestial threats. So even for that we did the same. We gathered all the information, put it in a Google Slides, and then moved on. So in this we sang the Peace Under the Same Sun song. Then in this line of inquiry we staged the exhibition. How did you find information? You were looking for interviews, surveys, experiments, articles, etc. So by researching and some knowledge from our mentor. What was challenging? So in it was obviously a group task and people have different perspectives. So the solution was to listen to everybody and choose the best. Yes, the more we research, more knowledge, and I got more questions about the knowledge that we had got. What did you find out that was really interesting, surprising? So I found out that there are natural satellites and artificial satellites in space. That was very interesting and that was some newfound knowledge for me. What did you enjoy and why? I enjoy researching, gathering information for my group because it is it is like a very nice feeling to research on Google, like finding about newfound knowledge. You just get newfound knowledge like all the time. That was very fun. How to describe yourself using the learner profile attributes? I was a communicator because I was very communicative with my group. What ATL skills did you use the most? Are there skills you should work more on? I used research skills the most, and I think I lacked a bit in communication skills. What did you learn about yourself during the exhibition? That I learned that I love researching a lot and love working in groups and discussing with other people. I would make my work more neat, long, with like brief information about more about the stuff and colorful, and make my this journal colorful. Action in the PYP. Evidence of any of the above to help you present. So the logo that we designed, I had uploaded on the Padlet so everybody can see the logo and put it in their journals. And in the Canva, we all had made this logo. Which digital tools helped you organize and record your work? Canva, VideoPad, that is the editing software, Google, and Zoom. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Bibliography. So I used Canva, Google Zoom, Google Slides, VideoPad. So this is our students rubric. So this is my parents' assessment. So my parents felt really positive that children are working in groups, and that was nice thing they are communicating in groups. So 2 stars and a wish. I organized my work, finished my work on time. If I could make it more colorful. So this was my PYP exhibition journey. I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day ahead.